Africa's great savanna is still good to its lions. There's everything a big cat needs: space, food, and mates. In this predatory paradise, lions are the highlight of any African safari. Living large, high enough up the food chain not to be afraid of anything. With around only 23,000 African lions left in the wild, they're surprisingly easy for tourists to find. At first glance, though, they don't do much. Prides spend most of the day catnapping, playing, and bonding.